everybody, this is Kathy from Cats All Create and welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with a Stack It Up collab, and this is hosted by Coffee, Cake, and Crafting on Facebook, and it is hosted mainly by Brittanee BBz Kraftz and Tiffany McGill. Tiffany is Tiffany Crafting Like McGill here on YouTube as well, and I will link these ladies down in the description below. There is another 10 on this collaboration, and I will also link them down in the description below. We will be basically posting videos on Sundays for the month of November, so do look out for that, and that is going to be at 9 a.m. Eastern time. And the Stack It collab is basically showing different stacks of creation. So well, let me go ahead and show you what I ended up using. Oh, before this, I do want to mention that each lady might be having a giveaway, so do go over, check them out in order to win a giveaway. So anyway, sorry you guys. Anyway, so basically go over to each lady's channel, check them out, see what the requirements are. Hopefully they are having a giveaway. I am sure most of them are. I will be having a giveaway, and this will be also open to my international. So my giveaway will be a $15 to your PayPal. So you will have to have a PayPal account, and it is going to be friends and family. So for my giveaway, I might have a secret word here and there, so do watch out for that. So yay. Anyway, so also before I forget, because I always forget, you must be a visible subscriber, 18 years and older, must be yeah, like I said, it could be international and U.S. resident, but you must be subscribed to each of the ladies here on our collaboration for this to be able to be eligible for that giveaway. Anyway, so let me go ahead and go back here. So this is what I ended up using as my paper pad. I have very few papers or sheets of this paper pad left, and I wanted to start I want to start finishing. I want to finish it up and make sure I used everything up. So this is what I used for this, and might be using it for the next week or two. I'm not too sure. See how that goes. But this is what I used, and it is a backyard table, and I think this is like a 2 or 3 year paper pad from Michael's. So anyway, so let me go ahead and show you what I created. So this week we were supposed to stack it up. We're supposed to stack up envelopes. So what I ended up doing, I ended up using my We Are Memory Keepers envelope punch board, or my punch board, and it actually even says here for envelopes, gives you the dimensions, and it actually, if you want for box envelopes, also score at score line B. So you use line and A and B here, and you make a little box, kind of like envelope box. So that's what I ended up doing, and this is what I ended up creating. So there you go. What do you guys think? Oh my gosh. So it took me a few videos to decide what I was going to create and what I wanted to make. So this is what I came up with, and yay. I ended up using some of the polka doodles printables that I ended up purchasing, and this is what it's gonna look like. So when you open it, you are going to have a inside view as well. You have this view right here. Okay, I did went ahead and put pearls around it. Let's see if you guys could see. There you go. I put the pearls right here on here. I put lace on here, as you guys could see right here. I put another set of pearls. I put another trim right here, and then I put some more pearls down here. And then as you open it, you will have this visual right here, and then you could put insert items here. I wanted to do it a little boxy envelope, because if you want to put in items that are a little bulky, they can fit in here perfectly. So that's what I had and did with the first one, and it's all stacked up. It's all, if you were to pull it together, this is what you see. It's not going to come apart. So this is my second creation, and I put some lace back here, and then I went ahead and layered some of these items. I had to do it flat. You couldn't do it bulky, because if you do it bulky, then you're going to have this layering up. So there you go. So I went ahead and did that. I did gloves right there, and actually on the bottom here I ended up using, I did like a cardboard, so that way it can hold my card and not bring it down. That's how I ended up doing it. And here's my lace, and here I ended up using some snow, and this is the snow that I ended up using for this, so it could give it that snow effect. And like I said, if you wanted to put an item in here, there you go, you could put the item in here, and that's what it's going to look like on this side. As you open it, you're not going to be able to open it all the way. Oh yeah, maybe you can. There you go. So there you go. And then I went ahead and put this beautiful polka doodle lady, more lace right here. I put a doily back here with the bow, and then I put a little flower here, and then I did the wire effect right here so it could look like it's balancing out. And I made this one a little simpler. I didn't want to make it too difficult. And then on here, as you open this one, you see this one right here, and I put a doily on here as I did on this one, and then I put the little penguins, and like I said, I layered. Okay, I did layer. I fussy cut all these and I layered them, and it is not bulky, it is not popped out or anything. And there you go. And then I did this one right here, and then I did the snow effect as well, and the flower right there, and there you go. So that is my Stack It Up for envelope week 1. And then on the back, I forgot to tell you guys, I went ahead and did the stand. I did put a cardboard on the bottom and did the feet on the bottom. I put the gems right here, so that way it is a little standing up like a little video. And there you go. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, I hope you guys liked it. I enjoyed making this. This is my first time making a Stack It Up envelope, and I had so much fun. And up back here, I just went ahead and layered, and I put wherever I felt that it needed foliage or anything. That's where I went ahead and put it, and it is so adorable. I love it. Anyways, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch. I hope you guys enjoy this, and do go ahead and go and check the other ladies out. I will link them down in the description below. You guys, these ladies are amazing crafters. I feel so privileged to be part of this collaboration. Like I said, check them out. Go over to their channels. Oh my gosh, I am sure that their creations are going to blow you away. So thank you for taking the time to watch.